My name is Peter. I'm a Solicitor of England and Wales. I've recently passed the SQE 1 assessment on my first attempt. I am a foreign qualified lawyer. I qualified as an advocate in Serbia in 2016, which is a civil law jurisdiction. I've completed my LLM degree at Tilburg Law School in the Netherlands in 2019. After that, I moved to Frankfurt, Germany, and have been living here ever since. England and Wales is the most prestigious and commonly chosen jurisdiction for commercial agreements and is, in my opinion, widely regarded as one of the law of preference in finance and banking. I was primarily motivated by the desire to learn more about common law and to bolster my professional profile. Being a civil law qualified lawyer and one based out of England and Wales, I felt that the smartest way to go about it would be to enroll with a reputable course provider. The exam covers practically every area of English law. I saw self-studying to be too risky, as well as I saw that the owner also passed the exam using study materials, so I felt it was reliable. The exam is indeed hard, but QLTS school most importantly covers the entire scope of the exam. Secondly, the study materials offer a variety of study methods the students can use, from classic textbooks over summaries to video lessons. I think this is one of their strongest points in their offering, and it caters to neurodivergent students who might have trouble with traditional learning styles. Towards the end of my preparation, they also released an AI chatbot that I found helpful for case law summaries. And in short, whatever your learning style is, QLTS School has a format that complements it. Without a doubt, mock tests and summaries in no particular order. The mock tests are pretty famous in their own right, but the summaries were perhaps the most valuable for learning the black letter law. The summaries sped up revision time significantly, and at about 1 month before the exam date, I could revise one FLK assessment per day. They are indeed excellently written. On the other side, the mock tests are an incredible tool for the final preparation phase. Their role is, in my view, as psychological as it is educational. I have been preparing for a little over a year with pretty much every free moment used for studying. It is difficult to put a number to it, honestly. I held a full-time position at a major bank, as well as had twins, a boy and a girl. Also, I tore my ACL and managed to rehabilitate it during this time period. Why am I saying this? Setbacks are normal and expected. There will be things that will derail the planned schedule. What's important is to keep on going and overcoming those obstacles. And a particular note, if you're working full-time, try to have at least the last 2-3 weeks before the exam free. I think the SQE 1 exam is the type of exam for which you can never feel fully ready, and that is okay. I went to the exam center with cautious optimism, but with deep respect to the whole process. However, as soon as I sat down and the questions started appearing on the screen, I immediately recognized a familiar format and felt at ease. And this is where the QLTS school's mocks shine. I believe the mocks were instrumental at practically preparing me for the exam, making me learn exam pacing and training my stamina. At the end of the day, a single exam block takes 2 hours and 33 minutes, and there are many details one should consider. I can only speak for the SQE 1 assessment, and my answer is without a doubt, yes. The exam is very demanding, and candidates should do everything they can to mitigate the risk of not passing. The exam is challenging and it takes a lot of commitment and sacrifice. I would say plan your timeline, leave enough buffer time in case of setbacks. Rely on your support network and build your mental resilience by enrolling with a reputable course provider, for example. And probably the most important, learn the black letter law well, because this is a functional legal test. For me, a modern lawyer is not just about knowing the law, but should be about understanding the business, using the right tools, and being flexible as things change. So, in summary, the modern lawyer should possess adaptability and flexibility.